Thank you guys very much for attending this Responder X Live event in partnership with AWS. We're identifying technology gaps and solutions to those gaps as identified by the DHS and the AFOFRI community. We are extremely excited to have everybody here because this is an event that we feel at Responder Ventures matches perfectly with our mission. My name is Bryce Sturton. I'm a partner at Responder Ventures alongside Nathaniel Wish, who is our founder. And what we do is we try to identify solutions to the problems that first responders deal with on an everyday basis. And it's our mission to get those solutions into the field so that we can help save lives. There are a lot of great technologies here that can really solve that for us. And so there's a gap that we need to solve, and that's taking these technologies and actually getting them out in the field so that they can have a real impact in our communities and help protect our first responders and the communities they serve. Our partners at AWS that are the backbone behind every single technology that you'll see here today, identify the problems that our first responders are facing and invest in the future of the solutions to solve them. We at Responder would love to work with each and every one of you to find these solutions. So I hope throughout this event we can have conversations to try to find ways to bring these technologies to where they need to be.